Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today I would like to present a topic entitled Project-Based Learning PjBL for English Writing Skill. Writing is one of the most important skills in learning English, but it is also considered one of the most difficult. Many students find it hard to develop ideas, organize sentences, and use correct grammar at the same time. Because of these challenges, teachers need an effective and engaging learning method. One approach that can be used is project-based learning. PjBL allows students to learn through meaningful projects, where they actively plan, write, revise, and present their work. Through this process, students do not only practice writing, but also develop creativity, collaboration, and critical thinking skills. In this presentation, I will explain the concept of project-based learning and how it can be applied in teaching English writing, and its benefits for improving students' writing skills. So, what is English writing skill? English writing skill refers to the ability to express ideas clearly in written form. It includes grammar, vocabulary, organization, coherence, and writing mechanics. Writing is a process that requires practice, revision, and feedback. What is PjBL? Project-based learning is a teaching model where students learn by working on real projects. Students identify a problem, plan a project, create a product, and present the result. This model emphasizes collaboration, creativity, and problem solving. So why PjBL works for writing skill learning? Well, PjBL supports the writing process by planning, drafting, revising, and publishing. Students become more motivated when they work on real products such as a class magazine, blog, brochure, or short story collection. And how to apply PjBL in writing class? Well, there are 3 steps. First, the teacher introduces the project theme. Students work in groups to research, gather ideas, and write a first draft. Second, the teacher gives feedback, students revise, and finally produce the final product. Third, the project ends with a presentation or publishing session. Now we move to the advantages of using PjBL on writing learning. Increases motivation and creativity, encourages collaboration, makes writing more meaningful. And the disadvantages are requires more time, needs careful planning, and some students may be less active without good management. In conclusion, project-based learning is an effective approach for improving students' English writing skills. Through project activities, students are encouraged to generate ideas, organize their writing, and apply language rules in a meaningful context. PjBL also helps students become more active and motivated because they learn by doing. In addition, this approach supports the development of their other important skills such as collaboration, creativity, and critical thinking, which are essential in the learning process. Therefore, Implementing project-based learning in English writing classes can be a valuable strategy to create a more engaging and effective learning environment. It not only improves students' writing ability, but also prepares them for real-life communication skills. I think that's all that I can share to you guys. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Kenapa tadi di